Good afternoon, everyone. So we're Team Libra, and we're going to present to you Binhi. So what is Binhi? So Binhi is a mobile application that aims to help farmers in choosing the most suitable rice variety to plant. And also, it also aims to help people to know more about the different variety of rice and their characteristics. So what are the main features of this application? So we have the rice catalog. So this uses a simple database. Currently, what we're using for this demo is a sample database that we gathered from the internet. This provides users with a different variety of rice, and users can search the varieties using their names or common names like Mestizo or NCISRC150. Or maybe by scanning a QR code provided by an agency. And for the rice recommendation, the user can use this by answering a checklist that will provide them with a variety of rice that matches their answers from the checklist. So for the demo, so we have here Binhi. So here's the menu. So we have two options. Let's go first to the rice catalog. So here we're listing all of the available rice variety from our database. Then we can search. Search please. Okay. So it will return all to began. Oh, for example, let's search for Mestizo. Where's Mestizo? Okay. We can also add a search using the scan barcode. So for example, you are here strolling around in IRRI, and you found a wild rice plant. So just like a Pokemon, so it works like a Pokédex. So you can just scan the QR barcode attached in that plant. Then it will return to you that. And then if you click it, you will see the details of this plant. So for example, Saningas 4, it is breeded in field rice breeding team, and it has katamtamong tibay sa BYSB. So that's diseases in plants. So we just get it from the database. And then now let's go to the rice recommendation. So you can choose, for example, Laguna. Then, for example, you want to both. So the farmer wants to plant in a weather that is dry and wet. And then, maybe matibay sa green leaf hopper. So the rice is resistant to green leaf hopper. So then we search. So there. So we have to begin next. So this one is, can you open this? So we can, angkop sa palayang may patubig tag-ulan man o tag-araw. So we can, that means that when the farmer search for a rice variety that is good for wet and dry season, just like what he searched earlier, so it will result to a list of rice variety that is appropriate to his choice. That's all. Questions?
So, the 7 can be served as barcode scanner?
Yes, but of course, the barcodes must be provided by the, for example, the breeders or the dealers of rice, so that whenever a farmer goes into
all
that place,
types of barcodes can be scanned by
currently the application will only scan QR codes, but we can develop it for 1D barcodes.
I was not able to see if you identified the regions involved or as part of the disaggregation of the process, because most of our rice varieties are site-specific. So it's not possible, for instance, to plant a variety that only grows in Mindanao to plan it here in Luzon. So maybe part of the disaggregation that could happen in the future is identify the site where it will be planted and the varieties that are applicable to those sites.
Actually, what they recommended us before, but we didn't have much time to do it, is to add a geolocation service in this application so that whenever a farmer uses this app, you can just collect the current location of the farmer and then plot everything, and then result, and then output the rice variety that is appropriate for that location.
Where is the information saved? On the phone or on
Currently, since we cannot get the database from IRRI because Sir Marco said that they have 120,000 plus. So currently we have it on a text file here, save as a JSON string for each. And then since they can also create in the future or in real application, we can create a web service that will just output the same format so that we can just call the web service from IRRI to use more data.
Yeah, but I guess, again, if you're on the field, sometimes you don't have internet connection.
Yeah.
So maybe it's better
To save it locally.
Yeah,
Yes.
save it locally.
Actually, what we're doing right now is after reading the file, we're saving it on a SQLite database inside the phone. So you can have it locally already. After downloading it on the first installation of the application. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.